Let's learn mathematics for grade 1. Now let us start with the video. And the topic is addition. Addition means sum, add, increase, more, plus, together. Addition is the process of putting items together and counting the total number in the set. Addition: if we have 2 apples and someone gives us 3 more, we end up with a total of 5 apples. You have 2 apples and then you have 3 apples. So the total apples what you have is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let us count the balls over here in the first place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will count the balls in the second place. 1, 2, 3. So now how many balls are together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total we have 9 balls. Here one ball is added to one ball to make 2 balls, and in words it is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now let me give you one more example. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Count the red balls. 1, 2, 3. When we add 2 blue balls, 1, 2. So total how many balls do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is 5. There are 4 teddy bears in the first place. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the next place 1, 2. So total how many teddy bears we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 fishes, and when we add one more fish, so we get total 10 fishes. There are 3 birds. When we add one more bird, so equals 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, and when we add one more, so there are total 4 birds. Now let us add how many flowers is there. There is only one flower over here, and in the next picture there is 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. So total there are 5 flowers. And over here how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3 flowers. And when we add 2 more flowers, after let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total we have again 5 flowers. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. In the next picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Now in the first place there are 5 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we add one more bee, we get total 6 bees. Over here in the last place there are 2 flowers. 1, 2. And when we add 5 more flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more flowers. We will count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get total 7 flowers.